Welcome to Kigali-Engineers-College.
Welcome to KEC. Welcome to KEC.
Welcome back to today's sessions. It's about the ABS, anti-lock brake systems. As we know, the vehicle have the brake systems which work traditionally most vehicle of the old years. So today's vehicles, it's bred with the anti-lock brake system because it have the many functions than the traditional ones, like preventing some vehicle slip and the other functions. So there is the panel that includes the components of the ABS system. We are going to talk about it. So as we see the vehicle, it is installed in figure in the vehicle. You see that there is the wheel, the vehicle, there is the control modules of the ABS. So let's start here. This is the first one. It is the ignition switch with the ignition key. In order to activate these systems, you must turn on, put the ignition key in the ignition switch, then it is in the off position, you just turn in the on. Position in order the systems will be activated. And also here there is the switch, the control switch, which is used to activate this panel. And also there is the accelerator positions, or if you want those wheels to speed or to run on the high speed, you will increase until where you want, according to the speed you want. There is also here, there is the speed indicator. It just indicates in the miles per hour or kilometer per hour. So there is the indicator that indicates the brake fluid low. If the brake fluid is low, that indicator, it just warn you, it's just right up. And also there is the ABS warning. So there is here 4 wheels and some separate inside. As we see on this list of the name of each component on that ABS panel, so we see a electronic control unit. Electronic control unit, it just control those electrovalve actuations. For example, the left tire have the more slippage. So according to there is the sensor, wheel speed sensor, that provides the information of how we rotate. We provide to the control module unit, and the control module unit process that information and take the action or command. If it is for example, that wheel, it will allow that electrovalve to open and to allow the pressurized brake fluid to go and brake that wheel or that tire in order to reduce the speed. When you reduce the speed of the tire, it means that you want your tire to touch on the road in order to reduce that slipping of the see that there is, and also there is the second one, ABS warning lamp, hydraulic control unity. It is the hydraulic control unity. It involves those electro valve to control the passage of pressurized fluids. So in order to brake the wheels without the command of the driver, it just operated automatically. And also there is the solenoid valve, as I told you, is those one inside this circuit. Used just to allow the passage or to close or to open the passage of the fluid to go through to brake the wheels with the command of the control module according to the wheel speed sensor. So there is also front wheel speed sensor. As I told you, there is inside here the wheel speed sensor. So there is also rear wheel speed sensor. Each wheel have its own or individual wheel speed sensor, and also according to the configuration, there is some ABS that have the rear wheel. It just share the one sensor, and also it is just, I think there is 3 configurations where each wheels have its own wheel speed sensor, and also there is another one when the front wheel have its own, but the rear share the one common wheel speed sensor. So there is also the brake pedal, as we see there. There is the switch that acts like a brake pedal, and also there is a reservoir. It stores the hydraulic fluid, and also there is the pump. This is the symbols of the pump that is used to pressurize that fluid. Without the command of the driver, it's pressurize the fluid to go and brake the wheels. And also there is master siren, that is this one, is where it just acts like a manual pump or mechanical pump. You just press on the brake pedal in order to press the hydraulic and pass through the hydraulic lines and go to brake those wheels. So, and also there is the wheel speed. This dashboard just indicates the wheel speed. So there is also the scanner. It just indicates if in the hydraulic ABS anti-rock systems have some faults, like one sensor is damaged. It just indicates that there is the fault in the systems. And also there is electrical circuit, ABS electrical circuit. As I told you, there is many switches, the controller and the actuator of that solenoid. So there is also another control switch. It is the power on switch. If you want to activate the system, you just turn on the left switch, come and turn ignitions on, and you just to make this panel to be activated, you just turn it on, and then let's see, you just turn on. It means that the electricity comes from the power in this ABS panel. So it's on. It's in on position. You just turn in lamp. You see that it will be activated. All the indicator lamps, it is right on, and then there is another switch that shows that it's on the static. It means that the all wheels does not rotate. And if you want to be all those wheels rotate, you just turn in dynamic motions. And this will also show that it is used to increase the speed of those wheels. So that is the simple explanation about the ABS control panel. So next time we will see how it operates. Thank you so much.